So I'm just going to go over the system menu. If you click on system, your first option here is patient management. So if you have already started monitoring your patient and you realize you forgot to admit them, you can do so through this screen here. Back to the system menu, you can save your patient vital signs report if you're wanting to do that before you discharge your patient. You can view or delete your Excel files from here. Same thing with your viewing of PDF reports. You can adjust your sound volume. So on the left column is your beep volume for your ECG and your SpO2. If you click on the arrow key down here, you can choose whether you want to adjust the ECG or the SpO2, and then you can just use the slider bar up and down. On the right, you have your alarm volume. The lowest limit you can go on here is 40, and then you can adjust it to be higher if you'd like. And then you would just click done. Back to the system menu. The next one is a drug calculator if you would like to use this. Load factory default settings, that would be if you are talking with technical support and they recommend that you do this. We do also have an option for a dual display, so you can connect a VGA cable to the back of the monitor, connect it to a larger TV or computer screen. We do have a copy of the operator's manual in here. And then About Life window is going to tell you the software version at the top, as well as our contact information at the bottom. The last tab is to shut down the monitor. We do recommend shutting down the monitor this way, so you would click shut down. Are you sure you want to shut down the monitor? You would say yes. And then here it's going to prompt you if you want to save your patient data. If you know that you've already saved it, you can click no. If you do need to save it, you would click yes. And then it's going to ask you where you would like to save it to. It should save locally to the monitor, which is your D drive, or you can click on to select another directory and then choose your look-in box and either save it to a thumb drive, or if your monitor is networked, you can save it to your server. And then you would just click done and save report.